Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Shutout, Ruby Pumps, Emerald Sparkle, and Oh Holy Night. Today I've started with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Braves Diva, Shutout, and then we have the Polish Me Royalty, and this one's Oh Holy Night, and then my beloved China Glaze Ruby Pumps. You knew this one had to get used. And then another beautiful China Glaze, and this one is Emerald Sparkle. It's kind of like Ruby's sister or cousin. So I'm going to go in with my first coat of Shutout. Now this is my old bottle, so it's starting to get a little thick. Excellent, excellent for stamping, and still very good for the nail. It's not flooding my cuticles, it's leveling out. And here we go with my Ruby Pumps. Oh, yes. And I have to be honest with you all, I prefer Ruby Pumps on my shorter nails than on my longer nails. I don't know what it is about it, but I think it looks fabulous on short nails. It's gorgeous. Oh, that's my favorite. And I had to use this one. So now we're going to go in with Emerald Sparkle. And it's luscious and pretty, just like Ruby Pumps, but I'm telling y'all that Ruby Pumps got a special place in my heart. Always has and always will. So we are going to go in with second coats of everything. I probably really didn't need it on these white nails, but I did it anyway. And then, oh, look at that. I'm telling you, that second coat on these short nails makes it perfect. Now, when I do wear this on my longer nails, sometimes I do need 3 coats. It just depends. It depends on how I'm applying it. Isn't that yummy? And it doesn't even have top coat on it yet. And there we go with that Emerald Sparkle. Just so happy to be using these polishes. There we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And now I'm going to go in with that Polish Me Royalty, and this one is Oh Holy Night. I don't think they're making polishes right now. Hopefully they will again one day. Hopefully you can find something like this in your collection. Or you might have some that's just the little red dots and the little green bar glitter, and you can just kind of make your own, kind of place them. Now, you can tell this isn't one of those that you just brush on and voila, you're done. You got to do some maneuvering and some, placement here. And, if you don't like brushing it on like I just did, you could just dab some out on a, a little mat or something and just pick what you want and put it where you want. So to tie this manicure in, I am using Shutout and a dotting tool to go around my Ruby Pumps nail and my Emerald Sparkle nail. This is just to kind of tie this all in together. A little different than what I normally do. Y'all know I normally do some stamping, but today we're off the rails and doing something different. And there we go. So I put some out on a mat because I wanted a little bit more on placement. So I did this to all the nails that have this Oh Holy Night on it. And now that everything is completely dry, I'm going to put some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls over everything. Look how that top coat just magic. You can see those two, excuse me, dried down a little more dull, but boy, you add that top coat to it and it just starts singing. Gorgeousness here. So, that is my manicure for today. I'll cap that free edge real quick. I love this one. I just thought it was so cool. A little different. I wanted to show me putting some top coat on this. Everything's dry now, so everything's sticking good. Not moving anything around. I love it. I thought it was really cool. Gonna cap that little bit free edge there. So this is my manicure, and like I said, and I hope you did enjoy it. Woody's back. Hi, Woody. And, but I would love to hear what you think about it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Always love to hear from you. Here's my swatch photo. And I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.